Here with a joint top industrial development here. Hello, so who are you?
Yeah, my name is Javan Chen. Yeah, we are our company in the Shenzhen of China, and our
Are you the co-founders?
Yes, yes.
We are the co-founders.
And who are you?
My name is Sam from China.
And this whole panel here is one system, right?
Yeah, it's one system.
And what's the power?
The power is 300 watts.
And you can pack it up like this?
Yeah, we can fold it, and we can take it by hands, like this.
And where you go? Where can you go with this?
Yeah, we can go to the picnic, the outside for picnic.
What is this? Is
yeah.
it battery?
This is a solar generator.
Generator.
Yeah.
Generator of what?
For outdoor electronics.
So let's put it right back. Can you put it back there?
Yeah.
So you need this to make it work?
We use the solar charger to charge this device and change to the electricity.
Is this enough for the whole house?
Yeah.
For some outdoor electronics like a refrigerator,
Let's go over here.
like cooler.
Yeah. So you can run a refrigerator,
Washing machine.
Yeah.
Microwave,
A record player,
yeah, and a TV,
computer,
and a computer,
laptop.
cell phone, iPad, cameras, and phones.
And so this you can put on top of your RV when you go camping.
Yeah.
And 1,000. You also have big ones.
For this device.
Is 1,000 watts?
Yes.
Yeah.
I thought it was 300.
No, it's 1,000 watts.
This is 300 for each one.
Yes. No.
This one is 300.
This one is 300, and charge this device for 3 or 4 hours, fully charged.
And how long it will power the house?
Power the house.
Yeah.
And for the normal lights, I think it's 3 or 4 days for the lighting.
So you can charge for 3 hours and you have 3 days?
Yeah, for lighting.
For lighting?
Yeah, for lighting.
You can run a washing machine?
Run washing machine for 2 or 3 hours. So,
All right.
Yeah.
That's cool. How much it cost, all this?
The total cost is around $700 US.
700 US dollar.
Yeah.
Do you already sell this for sale?
Not yet. Maybe next month.
Is this very special?
Yeah, I think it's special in China.
You're the first one?
Yeah. The real first one for the solar generator.
So can you do the whole house? Cover the whole house, or you don't care about the whole house?
We don't care for the house. We just care for the solar generator.
Okay, cool. Nice. That's great.
Okay,
all right.
thank you.
There it is. Is this very special, or other companies?
Yeah, I think it's very special
Other
because
company do the same or no?
I know there is one company in USA make this device.
How much it cost for them?
Over 1,000 US dollar.
So you are $300 cheaper.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. So in the future, everybody will buy this, right?
Yeah, I think so.
So it will be very important. Everybody who goes on with their campers around.
Yeah, the people like outdoor activities, maybe they will consider this.
But can you make a bigger one for a big house?
That's another story because some company doing the big ones they use for the sending the electricity to the.
Let's open it up. Can you
Okay.
open it? Is this flexible?
Yeah,
It's flexible. Flexible material.
it's silicone material. I think.
Silicon.
Yeah.
Flexible. Is that a standard way to make a solar panel? A standard way, or is it a special one?
This sorry.
Is it standard technology for solar panel or?
Standard.
Standard.
Yeah.
Cool. High efficiency. Good efficiency.
Good efficiency. Yeah.
Okay.